This is how you would change the control arm on an E70 BMW X5. This one, that control arm has a 27. It's a 27 millimeter. That goes over here. As you can see, I got it off already, but you need a 27 millimeter to get that nut off, that bolt joint. Okay, and this one, on this side, you got this long bolt. It goes from this side to the other side. And that you need an 18 to take this one off. Okay, but when you're doing that, you're gonna need a vice grip just to hold this nut in place as you unscrew in the bolt. You hold that nut on this side. Hold it with that vice grip on this side so you can take the bolt off on this side and the bolt go on this side. Okay, that's an 18. I take this one off. 18. And this one is the 27. Okay, once you get both of them off, and you see the lower control arm is not coming off, you'll hit it over here a couple times and it's gonna come loose. You'll hit it a few times with a hammer and it's gonna come loose. And then you just get this one down. Like this. It comes down like this. And this one, you gotta play with it. You gotta play with it a little bit because you don't have a lot of room. So you have to play with it a little bit for it to come out. Okay? But it's gonna come out. And then if you're ready to put it back in, you just do the same thing. You just put the knot right back on it. Like this. You just screw it in. And then this nut, you bring this up back in place, and then you put the nut and screw it with an 18 millimeter. And that's all it takes. You don't have a lot of work to do. You don't even have to be a mechanic. That's all it takes. And you take it out and change it. Okay?